Ever dreamed of bringing your wildest imagination to life with an iPod video? Let's break down how you might get your hands on Sora 2 without spending a dime. Finding free access to cutting AI like Sora 2 often involves staying ahead of the curve. The first key strategy is to actively scout for limited-time promotional periods. Companies like OpenAI, who develop Sora, sometimes offer early access programs or trial periods to generate buzz and gather feedback. Keep a close eye on their official announcements and social media channels. That's often where these golden opportunities are revealed. Beyond official promotions, community access programs can be a treasure trove. These are initiatives where creators, researchers, or even enthusiastic hobbyists might be invited to test or use advanced AI tools. Joining relevant online communities, forums, or Discord servers dedicated to AI art and video generation is crucial. Participate actively, share your insights, and you might just get an invitation to a private beta or a special access group. Another significant avenue for free access lies within educational initiatives. Many AI developers partner with universities and educational institutions to provide their tools for research and learning. If you're a student or an educator, explore your institution's resources and see if they have any agreements or programs that grant access to Sora 2. This is a fantastic way to not only experiment, but also to build valuable skills for your future. By proactively seeking out these promotional windows, immersing yourself in AI communities, and leveraging educational opportunities, you significantly increase your chances of experiencing Sora 2's incredible video generation power without an initial financial commitment. It's all about being informed and engaged. Stay curious and happy creating.